Hello traders and investors. I am Harish, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Hi traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see a unique strategy based on Wolfe wave, a variation of Elliott wave and Gottlieb patterns. This pattern is considered more effective because rather than the accuracy, the risk reward in this pattern is very high, so that pros and institutions mostly use this pattern to their advantage. This is an chart pattern which we can draw manually. Also, there is a free community indicator in TradingView. Go to indicators and type as Wolfe. You will see Wolfe wave pattern by Lonesome the Blue. This indicator I have plotted on the chart. Here you can see what is a Wolfe wave pattern. First, let us learn to draw it manually. In market structure, whenever we get a 3 consecutive high or 3 consecutive low, we will find a Wolfe wave. See here, we got high 1, high 2 and high 3. So what I am doing is, I am drawing a trend line connecting the first and second high. Okay, whenever the third high is breaching the trend line and going outside, see here, this is high 1, this is high 2, this is high 3. So here the high 3 is not breaching above the trend line, so there is no Wolfe wave. Then this setup is ignored. Again recount. This is high 1, this is high 2, this is high 3. Here see the candle has breached the trend line. Whenever the third high, that is the third higher high, is breaching the trend line, there the Wolfe wave pattern is established. See here, immediately it is closing below and we got a sell reversal. Okay, we go and see randomly on each and every stock and find out where the proper Wolfe wave patterns are happening. See here, we got a low here, again we got a low here. So what we are going to do is, we are drawing a trend line marking this low and this low. See, the third low has breached the low of the trend line. Now the Wolfe wave was established. When the price is going inside the trend line, we got the entry. Stop loss is below this swing low. Mostly this will become a reversal area, so that the risk reward will be always better in this Wolfe wave strategy. We are going to another stock. See here, there is no Wolfe wave. We are picking the trend line. This is the first high, this is the second high, third high is not breaching, so there is no Wolfe wave. Again see, this is the first high, this is the second high. See, the third high is breaching. Once the price closes below and low breaks, we got the entry. See the risk reward. Here itself we got 1:3, 1:4 risk reward. Okay. So simply this is called Wolfe wave Manually drawing the wolf wave is very important because relying on indicator may sometimes we miss the opportunities. See here, here is a high 1, high 2. So there is no wolf wave. Again, second time, high 1, high 2. See, there is a wolf wave. What happened when the low cut? See, again 1, 2. This is not a wolf wave. This is a wolf wave. See, the price is correcting. So for both buy direction and sell direction, we can find the reversal point using this wolf wave concept, where in the high direction, the third higher high should breach the trend line drawn using the first and second higher high. In buy direction, the third lower low should breach the trend line below, which is drawn based on the first and second lower low. This is the concept. Hope you would have understood. Now, for an easy understanding, for a beginner's use, I have given this custom indicator, that is a community indicator, but I recommend you to draw and analyze. Do your back test, draw, analyze and see in multiple charts, spend more time in charts and find out whether this pattern is working or not. Don't follow me blindly. I always tell, do your due diligence, back test and then use to your advantage. See here, there is a pink color is a sell wolf wave and the sell has happened. Green color is a buy wolf wave and buy has happened. So we can use this. See here, there is a buy wolf wave and buy has happened. This automatically draws wolf wave, but sometimes it may miss the opportunity, and for a better understanding and practice, drawing manually and understanding the concept is more important than easily using an indicator. So I recommend you all to spend more time in charts, draw, analyze and then finalize. See here, sell wolf wave, there is a sell correction. Sell wolf wave, there is a sell correction. Sell wolf wave, there is a sell correction. This is a failure trade, but as per wolf wave, there is no trade. We got number 5 here. As per the wolf wave, we have to get a red candle and low should break. Here that has not happened, so there is no trade. See here, we got a wolf wave, got a red candle, low broken. See the risk reward. So this is an unique pattern. Most of the people don't know. Mostly used by pros and institutions, because pros and institutions focus on risk reward. Minimum the risk, maximum the reward. They will focus there only. They will not focus on the accuracy, because they know trading is a mathematical game. Using the mathematics and probability, whichever strategy is giving us an advantage and an edge is the strategy they will focus on. So as a retail trader also, you should learn those strategies. So wolf wave is one of the strategy which can easily give you 1:2, 1:3 risk reward. So please analyze. Don't follow me blindly. I am introducing you a strategy, a new concept. You have to test it. You have to back test it. Spend more time on the chart, analyze and then add your previous experience and your existing indicators and use it to your advantage. This video is for educational purpose only. The stock shown is for an example, illustrative purpose only, not a recommendation. For more unique strategies like this, we are planning to post every week one strategy. So please follow our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Follow us for more unique strategies. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.